Well, summer-like weather is hanging on with high humidity, although we're going to turn it down a notch or two next couple of days. But you will still need to have that air conditioning running at least until early next week. 13 weather ball is green. No change to our overall weather pattern foreseen. It is going to get a little bit warmer second half of the week. And this view brought to you by the great folks at your West Michigan Ace hardware stores. We forecast 76 today. It actually made 80 this afternoon. We'll start another 3-degree accuracy streak here during the day tomorrow. Your weather headlines call for perhaps some patchy, dense fog early in the morning on Tuesday. But warm days and mild nights with highs in the 80s and overnight lows in the 60s. As I mentioned, not quite as humid next couple of days, but the higher humidity moves in for Thursday through the weekend. Dew points will be back into the 60s. Next chance of rain likely late Saturday or Saturday night. Between now and then, it's going to continue to be just warm and somewhat humid. 60 in the morning, some patchy fog. Keep that in mind as you head out the door in the morning. Lots of sunshine later in the day as we get back into the upper 70s. Dew point forecast is on the bottom there. That's in the green. You can see it's right above that threshold of about 60 until tomorrow. It's a little bit lower than it was today, and then it does drop into the 50s as we get into Wednesday, so a little bit more relief for that. High temperatures tomorrow, a little bit warmer than we're indicating here, upper 70s and then back into the low 80s on Wednesday. No change for that. That's because the upper level winds, the forecast continues to show warm, humid air coming up out of the south. This is a big ridge of high pressure. All of that warm air coming out of the southwest, the humidity coming in off the Gulf. As we get toward the end of the week, right in through here, this is where a cold front is. The upper level jet stream is pushing that through for Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then we turn into what we call a zonal flow coming in off the North Pacific. So we're really not going to cool off a ton, but we are going to dry things out. We're not going to get any connection to the Gulf of Mexico. A little storm system here in the southwest. But the other weather story is Hurricane Humberto, which is in the southwestern Atlantic, well off the coast of the southeast, making a lot of folks in the southeast very nervous. It's a Category 1 with winds of 90 miles an hour, gusting to 115, but it is expected to move out into the Atlantic, almost due east. The real threat will be for the island of Bermuda. That will come during the day on Wednesday as that passes just to the north of the island with tropical storm force winds, and then it heads out into the North Atlantic over the upcoming weekend, so no threat here to the mainland U.S. Forecast, though, for tomorrow, after some morning fog, it'll become mostly sunny, kind of like today, mid and upper 70s. Here in the inland areas up north, you could expect highs in the low and mid 70s. Humidity levels down a little bit with mostly sunny skies. After that, a little bit of morning fog. And from Grand Rapids southward, with a wind out of the east, a little bit cooler there in Ionia at 74, but mid and upper 70s, including 79 in Grand Rapids. 13 on your side forecast. Low and mid 80s Wednesday through Saturday. Again, you saw that chance of showers and thunderstorms late in the day Saturday night. Not quite as warm early next week, but advertiser in the low 70s right now, and we'll still be in the mid and upper 70s next Tuesday and Wednesday. Summer doesn't appear it's going to go anywhere anytime soon, guys.
No, it does not. Thank you, George.